Alright crew, Arturo Spraycasso here. So I just wanted to do a little video to kind of show you what the end product of the forest edge looks like. So there's times that because of the reflectiveness of the painting, it gets a little hard to take pictures of them. So I'm gonna see if I can manage to get a good video of it. Now see, sometimes you guys can see my reflection when I get really close by to it, but this is it. We finished it last night. It took a couple of hours to complete this painting, and I'm very pleased with it. One of the things that I really enjoyed is the lighting effect. You know, I've been experimenting a little bit more with lighting effect and shadows. And anyways, I just wanted to thank you guys for all the wonderful comments and positivity that you guys sent my way. There it is. Let's get a little closer look. Look how shiny it is. I love that. Look at that. But at the same time, you know what? That makes it a little hard at times. If you have too much light, it kind of shines off. You lose a lot of the detail. So I'm hoping that with this video, you guys get a little bit more of that realistic view that we get to see in person. All right, crew. Well, thank you guys again for all your support. And until next time, keep those cans shaking. Bye.